Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this lab. First of all, click on Start Lab. And if you're new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. And if you want to enable this, you'll check my progress bar. Just check the video description. Okay, now wait for the lab to get started. So if you are seeing timeline like this, do not worry, it's normal. The lab will start as soon as the time gets exhausted. And let's wait for the lab to first full start. So finally the lab has been started. Now here we have to create a new file. Okay, we have to create a new file. Wait for the editor to fully load first of all. Okay, it will take some time for the editor to load. Now just click on File, New File, and for the file contents in the description box I've shared this repository. You have to just come over here, select the content and just come over here and paste it. Now here we have to update the project ID and the region too. So for the region, copy it carefully and just update from here to here. Just update it. Similarly, do with the project ID too. Here we have to update the project ID. Carefully update it. Now just click on this file and then just click on save. Now for the file name, you have to just copy this name. Okay, carefully copy this name and just in the untitled section, paste it and just save it. The file is successfully saved. Now just copy this command and paste over here and hit enter. Okay, just paste and hit enter. Do not worry about this error, these are normal. Okay, just keep it running and then simply check the score. So it will take some time for the score to get updated, do not worry. If you want, you can rerun the command too. Do not worry, just keep checking the score. You can see we got the score. So you need to wait for some time and check the score. That's all about this video. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. Have a great day ahead.